Trigger Spoons, Trigger Spoon Magnums, Trigger Spoon Pros, Trigger Spoon Juniors, Speed Spoons, Speed Spoon Pros. Looking for spoons for your trout fishing adventure? Think FHS Spoons. You can check them out at fishhuntshoot.com. Right back in the water and get on with it. What a dandy rainbow. There he goes. Get going, guy. I didn't even think about it. You know what that was? That was the first fish of 2021. On my first trip out, I went to Rollins and got flat out skunked. But that is my first trout of the year. So that's pretty cool. Oh, did you see that on the camera? That's that trout. He was swimming along. A bald eagle came by and just snatched him out of the water right there. Oh my.